Hey guys, I'm gonna draw something special. So we do this individually. So if you want to see more, you just hit the like button to subscribe to my channel. Let's do this. And now we're gonna be drawing Pac-Man. Yay! Yeah, let's just get straight to drawing Pac-Man. So first, you're gonna turn your paper to down, and you're gonna get a bowl. 2 inches of the top, you're gonna draw a circle around it, like this. I'm gonna do this a little bit. I'm gonna do this to deal with that, and it's gonna look like this, right? So for a draw all around the ball. Ah! That was wrong. Okay. Okay. Looks like we have to go from the other side.
Let me hold it.
Hold it. Straight. Ah.
You got it?
Okay, it's fine. It kind of looks like the Instagram thing right there. But it's good, it's good, it's good. Then you're going to draw Pac-Man's eyes. So you're going to draw a little oval shape, like that. And make it a little bit bigger. It's going to look like that. So let me just need a eraser. So this is what it's going to look like. This is not how it's going to look like. That was not how it's going to look like. It's going to look like this. So that's what I did. And then here did a little pack like that. Look like that. And then he did on this side, they have little Pac-Man. So you're gonna do like a triangle the other way. And then next thing you do with a smile and deal with it like that. And then you go up and make that curve going that way. And then you make a line going that way. And then make a point right there. That's your mouth. And then sketch that off for a second. And then you're gonna do his arms. His arms are gonna be like this. So it'll be right here to right back there. It'll be right here to right back here. So you want the thing 3 feet away from your paper. I mean, 2 feet away from your paper, inches from your paper, so you can get this thing right. So I put the bowl, seriously, right here, I think. Yeah, that's what I did. I made a little spike right there. That's okay. Have a bowl just in case. And his things are gonna go like that, kind of like an actual thing. But you're gonna make it a little bit longer. Do a fist by doing a little curve, and then bring an awesome curve, and bring it to there. It's gonna look like that. And then you do the same thing to the other side. Yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. So next one, you're gonna draw his legs. This part of a circle, right here, I guess, is his body. So we're just gonna draw a line here to remember us. And this is gonna be where the legs start. It's gonna go like here. It's gonna make a boot like this, like that. Pretty good Pac-Man. It makes it more stable and more like Pac-Man, I guess you could call it. And then you can bring it there. And then you can put it there, and then you can curve it around, I guess. And then you're gonna finish that round off. And next thing, just gonna put a line in the middle, and yeah. And then you're gonna put a little square in the middle, so it gets a little more like a boot. Then you're gonna make ties. How to make that is just making 2 of these. And then do it in the inside. Do the curves in the inside. Then you're done. But next thing, I'm gonna color it. I need yellow. Yes, yellow. I can color it like this. A little yellow line in the middle. So, I'm just gonna do squares. Like that. Like that. And then just gonna yellow it. You yellow it. You yellow it. You yellow it out. You just yellow it so much. You need so much yellow. Yeah, like that. And then you're just gonna do the whole thing. Do the whole square. And make sure you show this to your parents so they say how impressed you are. But you need a bowl. Because why you need a bowl is to make the perfect Pac-Man circle. Pac-Man originally looks like this, I guess, right? It's the little eyeballs. But we're drawing the ones from the cartoon. So you can just do that. That's a yellow thing. And then you're gonna just bring it to the top. And then color that in. Just get it a nice Pac-Man look. Yes. When you color it in, this is how it's gonna look like. And it's gonna look like that. And then you just color it in as your normal coloring. Then you're just gonna draw a huge yellow line and color it in. So this is this is like the quicker way to do it. You're like, wow, you colored that in like 1 minute. That's something. And then you just make a little square. Making a little round square, I guess. Because that's the easier way. Now it's just a little square. Get it now? Just a little tiny square in the middle, I guess. And then you're just gonna color that in. You just wanna color that in. Next thing, you're gonna color in the circle. Don't color in the eye shades or the mouth. Otherwise, it's gonna be completely messed up. Or you can if you want to. Then we're just gonna boom. Boom. Little square left. Little square of it left. And then after you color that, ready? You're just gonna need a line of black, I guess. Black. And I'm swearing there's something else to do. Black? Still need black. Ow, well, that really hurt. Dad, Colored all black. Now, orange glows. Orange. I'm gonna use this kind of orange because I think it's cool. This kind of orange. Thank you. Orange. This is my favorite kind of orange. So, you need things with the color with, and a pencil with things to color with. That's it. And a piece of paper. 3 things: a piece of paper, a pencil, and some crayon. Using crayons. I have to bring it up a little bit, otherwise you're not gonna be able to see it. Because the last thing is covered up. Okay, then he has red shoes, I think. Yep, red shoes. This, you're just gonna color that in as normal. So I use it like a paper, so I just do this. And go like that. To look more, like put it at the bottom to there. So it looks more like unique. I like going slowly. And tips fall off all the time. Wow, that really did that. Now I need orange in the middle of the shoe. And of course, his laces are red. Boom. And some orange in the little square. So I'm gonna get that back. I'm gonna get my orange. What color is this? Okay, this is the last part. Just color in the square. And then you're gonna do it on the next side and you're done. Okay, looks like we're gonna complete it first. So, that's crazy. That was some crazy drawing there. You saw that. Ah! Coloring in. You need to make sure you're coloring it inside. Don't color like right here. You're gonna put the orange there. Oh my god. And then the laces are red. You already know that. And then the orange in the middle. That's it, guys. That's how you complete the Pac-Man. I hope you liked the Pac-Man drawing, and like and subscribe if you want to see more of this. Bye.